Then the rogging is a very important aspect regarding any seed production program. The unwanted plants which are different than the that parental line or that variety should be removed. And these off type plants, that means they have dissimilar from the variety, they are dissimilar for the morphological characters, like the hairiness over that stems or the fruit, then the fruit size, fruit color, leaf shape, leaf size, then the plant height, number of ridges of over that fruit length. So different characters are there, and accordingly if any of the plant which is dissimilar than the most of the one, it should be removed from that field, so that the admixture will not take place. So likewise the disease infected plants or the insect infected plants should be removed, and the wild bhindi, if it is present in that field, it should be removed from that plant, and the seed production will be takes place. Here the photographs I have given the wild species, the Abelmuscus moscatus and Abelmuscus manihot. These are the two wild species but crossable with the cultivated one, and that's why it should be removed from that field. Then the pest and disease management, if in a bhindi the sucking pest is a major problem, as well as the pod borer and red spider mites. These are the important pests. In sucking pest, the jassids, aphids and white flies are there, and by using the different sprays you have to control these all the pest. And regarding the disease, yellow vein mosaic virus is a very important, as well as the powdery mildew. And by using the systemic fungicides or the fungicides, it should be or the insecticide, it will be controlled, because in a virus it is very difficult to control. In that situation, the host the mediator or the host, that is the white fly, if you control the white fly, then automatically the 11 mosaic virus is controlled. For the hybrid seed production, the male and female line, they have planted in 9:1 proportion. The generally the flower size of a okra is a bigger, and that's why the emasculation and pollination takes place easily. So most of the breeders, they have used these emasculation and pollination methods, but the GMS and the CGMS lines are also available for the cultivation of for the development of the hybrids. So for the plantation program, when the emasculation and pollination takes place, they have planted the plant in 9:1 proportion, and separate plants are there, separate blocks are there, and from the male parent they have collected the pollens or the collected the flower, and they have dusted over the female parent flower, and the hybridization will be takes place. Then the regarding the harvesting, the fruit should be harvested when they have been dried. After 30 to 35 days after the crossing, the fruits, they have been brown in color, and the hairline cracks are observed or the exposed in that fruits. So in that situation, these fruits have been harvested, and they have harvested by using the sickle, or they have cut from that plant and collected in a bag. After that, they have dried 1 or 2 days, and takes place for the threshing. So the whatever the pods they have available, they have threshed by using the palleable sticks, and separated the seed by winnow to remove the plant debris and unwanted material, and dried over a tarpaulin to maintain the 10% of the moisture level. So dried seeds are subjected to water flotation, in which the good seed sinks, which poor seeds will be floated. So in that situation, in that water floated condition, the mature and the good seeds, they have settled down at the bottom, and the poor seed, or the lower germination seeds, will be floated. They are removed from that water, and the uh, good seed is dried in a dried in a sun, and kept for and treated with a captain and thyrum, and kept for the um, storage. So this is about the cultivation practices. Specific standards are required for the okra plantation. If you see the foundation seed production program, the 0.1% of type are allowed. Then there is no any objectionable weed is allowed, and for the 0.1% the disease affected plants are allowed. This is about the foundation seed production. But regarding the certified seed production, the off type plants are allowed up to 0.2%. Not a single seed is allowed for as a weed seed in that seed production program. And this is affected plant, it is 0.5% is allowed. If you see the seed standard, the pure seed, it is 99% pure seed for the foundation, as well as certified inner matter 1% for both the cases. Other crop seed, it is not allowed in a foundation seed, and 5 seeds per kg allowed for the certified seed production program. Total weed seed and the objectionable weed, it is not allowed in both the cases. Other distinguishable variety, it is 10 seeds per kg for the foundation, and 20 seeds per kg for the certified is allowed. Germination is not less than the 65%. Moisture level is 10%, and for the VP content it is 8% moisture level. So this is about the seed standards. And if regarding the examination point of view, you have to remember all these things. Then the assignment here for the foundation seed production program for the okra, for the varietal program, and for the hybrid seed production. You have to submit it when the vacations of this coronavirus, due to that coronavirus vacation is going on. After that, when you join the college, you have to submit this. So thank you very much.